two garbage truck. One's a Y. So one's a J, which one is a newer one. As far as I think I could get the number of it. This is the I forget the council name. Trying to get the number of it. So there's that one, and I'll try to get the number of the other one. They got the bins here too. So this one here is 1374. 1374. The one that does our lesson. They both do our lesson, in fact. Try to get photos of them in our lesson. JR it's a Leighton. Has a chance of Leighton truck. So 1374. The Strails. One is a brand new one. I'm trying to get the number of the white one. I am trying to get photos of them and bins. We just stumbled across them. I'll be back once I get the number of the other one. I think this one's 635. What? No way, it's 635! It's actually 635! It's 635! This one's been filmed in a different council that starts with D. 635! I've got photos of 635! I was thinking it was the little one. No! It's here. It's where 635 is. That's this one. 1374. 635 though. Are you serious? What? I found 635. Does that is something other council? No. It's this council's truck. 635. Are you serious?